Observing that anti-money laundering law puts a negative burden on accused to prove his innocence, Supreme Court ruled that accused is entitled to get a list of all documents and material collected by Enforcement Directorate during investigation. Furnishing of such documents can be helpful to accused in defending his case and proving his innocence, as those documents may contain exculpatory evidence in favor of accused due to which the agency might not have relied upon it. Holding that it is fundamental right of an accused to have fair trial, bench of justices Abhay Asoka, Ehsanuddin Amanullah and AG Masih set aside Delhi High Court order that only those documents relied upon by the agency should be handed over to accused. The bench held that accused must also know about the documents not relied upon by the agency, so that he could apply for their production, and courts should be liberal in allowing them and should deny only in exceptional circumstances. It is held that a copy of list of statements, documents, material objects and exhibits that are not relied upon by the investigating officer must also be furnished to the accused. Object is to ensure that the accused has knowledge of those documents, objects in the custody of investigating officer which are not relied upon by them, so that the appropriate stage accused can apply by invoking section 91 CRPC for providing copies of the documents which are not relied upon, Justice Oka said while reading out operative part of order. Court said that right to have a fair trial includes right of the accused to defend, which consists right to lead defense evidence by producing documents and examining witnesses. Therefore, accused is entitled to exercise the right at stage of entering defense by compelling the prosecution or third party to produce a document or thing in their possession or custody. Court can decline the request of the accused for issuing process for production of documents only on the limited ground under section 233(3) CRPC on ground that it is made for the purpose of vexation or delay or for defeating ends of justice. It said section 232(3) of CRPC, which deals with the accused's right to apply for issue of processes for compelling attendance of witnesses or production of documents or things, be liberally construed by courts in favor of the accused. Therefore, if the special court refuses the prayer made by accused in terms of section 233(3) CRPC for compelling the attendance of any witness or for production of documents in possession of any party, accused will not be in a position to discharge onerous burden on him under section 24 of PMLA, which puts burden on accused to prove innocence. Hence, valuable right of accused under section 233 CRPC needs to be protected. In this case, High Court had said that court cannot at the pre-charge stage direct prosecution to furnish copies of documents other than that which it proposes to rely upon or which have already been sent to court during the investigation.